In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your company settings in QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online is a powerful tool for managing your business finances, and setting up your company information correctly is an important first step. Whether you're customizing invoices, organizing customer details, or preparing for tax filings, ensuring your company settings are accurate will save you time and keep your business running smoothly. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you'll find a link in the description to create your account and get started. Now, let's dive into the setup process. First, start by clicking the gear icon, which you'll find at the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online screen. This opens the Settings menu, where you'll access a variety of options for customizing your account. From this menu, navigate to and select Account and Settings. Once you're in the Account and Settings menu, click on the Company section. This is where you'll enter and manage all your core business information. Begin by entering your company name. This is the name that will appear on invoices, estimates, and any other customer-facing documents, so make sure it's exactly how you want your clients to see it. Next, add your business address. Be sure to enter the complete address in a consistent format. This information is important for creating professional documents and ensuring your clients have the correct location details for your business. After that, input your primary email address and phone number. These should be actively monitored, as they'll be the main points of contact for your customers. Double-check that the email and phone number are correct to avoid any missed communications. If your business has a website, include the URL. For example, if your website is www.example.com, you would simply enter it as www.example.com. This gives customers an easy way to learn more about your services or products. Next, you'll need to select your industry from the list of options provided. QuickBooks uses this information to tailor reports and settings to better fit your business. So choose the industry that best matches what you do. Now, enter your legal business name. This may differ from your company name if you operate under a trade name or DBA. Additionally, be sure to include any required tax details, such as your employer identification number, to keep your tax filings accurate and compliant. Take a moment to review the customer contact info fields. These control how your contact details will appear on sales forms like invoices and estimates. Make sure everything looks professional and complete. At the top of the page, you'll notice an area for your company logo. Click on this section to upload or change your logo. Your logo is a key part of your branding, so it's important to use a clear, high-resolution image. The preferred format is PNG, ideally with a transparent background. Once your logo is uploaded, take a look at the preview. If the logo doesn't appear sharp or centered, you can adjust the size or crop it until it looks just right. When you're satisfied with all the information you've entered, click Done to save your changes. QuickBooks will now use the updated settings for your invoices, reports, and other documents. Finally, remember that you can return to the Account and Settings menu at any time to make updates. Whether it's a change of address, a new phone number, or even a rebranding, QuickBooks makes it easy to keep your company information current. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.